sorry.
I looked right into it.
Oh no, I'm out of soda. I don't know this microphone. Oh damn, it's gonna pick that up too. Did you have a nice Memorial Day?
Yeah.
What's the weirdest thing you've ever seen when you were fishing? Me and Maddie when we saw that man in a dress.
Yeah, I wasn't there for that.
Damn it.
I don't know.
Alright.
Maybe last weekend there was a kid who came down to the trout spot and used the spinning reel upside down.
Really?
Yeah.
Somehow my phone can see in the dark, sort of. Like I don't have the light on, but I still see stuff.
Dude, the Google Pixel.
The whole lake.
The whole thing. That would be horrible.
My friend Ralph, he drives for Frito-Lay, and he was by, I'm not sure wherever it was, one of the big rivers in New Jersey, and he saw a guy fishing, and he watched him fish, and like, first cast, right up into the power lines. And he looked up at the power lines, and it was like a Christmas tree. It was like Lure City. He put on...
I did that today. I didn't cast into a power line, but I was standing on a rock in the river, and I looked up at a tree and saw like 12 flies.
Oh, decent.
So I just cast it into the tree and took them off. The guy's like, "Oh, you're fishing for free?" I was like, "No, I'm fishing for
Free lures. Lures that cost money that now I have.
yeah."
Boat. This is a stick with rope on it. I know the real name, but I can't think of it. So we'll just go with slanted stick.
That works.
Too bad a fish can't jump like over here, so I can record it.
Yeah, I know. They were jumping close to the dock before. Get that weed off of that. Whoa. He was there when I came and he didn't move.
It was like a pickerel.
I think so, yeah. Either a pickerel or a little muskie.
Oh, baby. You should catch a muskie and put it in a fish tank.
That'd be cool.
It'd be like those people with their bass, but
No.
maybe he went to go eat.
He was sitting right here in this grass, right here. Or in that grass sand.
Maybe he went in that pipe.
That's funny.
You think he could fit in that pipe?
That'd be cool.
That'd be bad.
The lake is so murky right now. Look at little minnow.
Oh, we should catch that. I have a little net. We can use that as bait.
Boats destroyed the lake this weekend.
Yeah, it was Memorial Day weekend, so who knows how much toxins have been pumped into the lake.
Oh, bunch of little sunnies and bait fish. Yeah, free kayak.
I don't want to use that. I feel like I'll tip over in this lake. It's probably like full of like 16 and 17-year-old girl like puke from the Memorial Day weekend. All from Byram Cove. You should just like create another anaconda scare.
Oh god.
I saw like a pool floaty in the water and I thought it was a snake.
Yeah, I know. It's going nuts.
Oh, sorry.
2 pounds. Horrible.
Oh well.
Dude, his face is fucked up. Look at that side of his face.
Oh yeah.
He's seen some better days, this poor bit.
His eyes are enchanting. It looks like he's like blind on his one side.
Yeah, I think he might be.
Now he's gonna go back and all the fish are gonna make fun of him. I think that wasn't a real bobber. He's like, I'm blind. Like, excuses.
That's why he went from there. Well, that was fun.
Yeah.
What the fuck is going on?
We've been here for like 2 hours, and then this random boat alarm just goes off. It's been going off for 15 minutes, and it won't stop. I don't know why. The boat's right behind me on the dock. It's so annoying. Back to fishing. It's been like 30 minutes, and it's still going off. We inspected the boat, but there's no way to get into it. And we're not going to break into someone's boat we don't know. Mike is going to attempt to find this person who owns this boat with this alarm. It's like a megaphone alarm. I'm going to go look at the water. The camera looks red because it's like nighttime mode. This is all I can see.
This is just not normal.
Yeah, it's annoying.
I'm pretty positive I know whose boat it is.
Okay.
Hello. I'm falling asleep.
The cops turned off the boat. It was a megaphone. Its alarm was going off. When the cops arrived, the one cop looked at the dock. He was not happy that it was a floating dock. And I'm sure that cop is deaf now. And that's it for today. Goodbye.